Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make money on Pinterest. Four realistic methods. I'll show you four realistic methods that can help you make money from Pinterest. Pinterest is a self-described visual discovery engine. It is where you might go to find out an idea for a fresh new recipe, save an easy to follow morning workout routine, or watch a quick demo of someone's skincare routine. Think of an endless feed of vertical images and short videos you can view and save to spark inspiration. With hundreds of millions of monthly users, Pinterest has also come an organic advertising tool for bloggers and business owners, and a way for popular pinners to partner with brands and cash in influential posts. So the question is how to make money on Pinterest. Maybe Pinterest can be part of your side hustle, or you are doing it a full time. Here are a few ways that can help you make money from Pinterest easily. Number one, free advertising for your blog. Let's say you have a blog you have been able to monetize such as by integrating online ads or embedding affiliate links for your product relevant to your niche. You can use Pinterest to promote your blog post in an effort to drive traffic to your website. Grab an image from your blog or site and use Pinterest built-in tool to add text and tweak the design of your pin. Most importantly, add link to your post to drive your back to your site or a specific blog. This link will prominently show when users hover over your pin. To create great pins for your blog, you can use tools like Canva that can help you create better pins for your Pinterest account. Number two is free advertising for your online business. E-commerce business owners can try the organic advertising approach too. In the same way you would have make pins about your business offering, whether it's a product or online service, and link back to pages on your business website. Number three, affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Maybe you have started pinning as a funny way to share your designs with others, something you are passionate about, like cooking, fitness, coaching, collecting sneakers, much more. Through consistent posts and demonstrated expertise in your niche, you have amassed a following on Pinterest and likely other social media platforms too, such as YouTube, Instagram, so on. Your influence could open opportunities to join an affiliate program where you can earn commission for promoting products featured in your pin. Once you are an affiliate, you can use the product tagging feature of Pinterest to add personalized affiliate links to pin. Then viewer can click directly to product pages outside the Pinterest and make purchase, and you can earn a commission. Some affiliate programs let you feature a full collection in one place. Number four, frugal or entrepreneurial inspiration. Pinterest probably was not started with brand deals and affiliate marketing in mind. In first and foremost, a digital bullet board that allows for broad exchange of ideas. You can use the platform to identify ways to save money. Make Pinterest your first stop when searching for DIY ways to improve your living. Do you get paid on Pinterest? Pinterest does not pay content creator directly. Primarily ways to make money on Pinterest using the platform as marketing or influential tool, where earnings come through outside sources like your own business, an affiliate program, a brand where you work with. How many Pinterest followers do you need to get paid? The self-advertising and influencer marketing method described above may not be particularly fruitful without at least a few thousand of followers, but you can build your following over the time through consistent quality pin that are worth saving. If you are new to Pinterest, start pinning and see where it takes. Try to tips to get started. Convert to a Pinterest business account. You can sign up for or convert your Pinterest personal account to a free business account for access to analytics and ability for advertisement and merchants to create various ads on platform. Pay attention to trends. You can use the built-in Pinterest trending tool to explore popular search terms, then craft pin titles, tags, and description text that hits on relevant keyword. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up to this video, and if you have come for the first time on this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel, so whenever we'll publish a video, you will get notified.